In a historic moment for the country, gay couples have begun tying the knot under a recently passed law legalising same-sex unions in the Australian Capital Territory, which surrounds and includes capital Canberra. One of the first couples to marry was Stephen Dawson, a 38-year-old member of the opposition Labour Party in the Western Australian Parliament, and his partner Dennis Lidlow, who flew some 3,500 kilometres across the country to be at the ceremony. With the Gay Marriage Act being challenged by the Conservative federal government on the grounds it conflicts with federal law, newlywed lawmaker Dawson talked about how same-sex unions could be short-lived.
I don't want to second-guess the High Courts. There's some learned people who've said that these laws are valid, and they're the people who've given advice to the ACT government. There's also people who are equally as learned who've said that these laws may not stand. The ball is in the High Courts, court, so to speak, and I guess we'll wait with bated breath. Regardless of what happens next week, we've had a fantastic night. We've been able to celebrate this, and we'll remember this for a long time.
Bills to change federal law to allow gay marriage were twice rejected by Parliament last year, and Prime Minister Tony Abbott, leader of the Liberal Party, was elected in September on a platform of opposing marriage equality. In Australia's High Court rules against the new law, which have been widely criticised by religious and conservative groups, all marriages enacted under it would be rendered invalid. Regardless of the court's decision next week, many believe the campaign to legalise same-sex marriage in Australia has now turned the corner.